What's going on, YouTube? We are finally doing the reveal video. You guys can see the bike as is right now. We're gonna mob it to a spot, and I'm just gonna go into like full detail on just absolutely everything. Yeah, let's go up there. I'll probably just cut it, so it's gonna clip from here to the next spot, just so you guys don't have to see the boring riding, because this traffic's pretty heavy. So I'm probably just gonna throw cruise control on and just mob from there, to be honest. Yeah, I will see you guys up there. Alright, pull up to the spot. Bike is looking absolutely insane right now, I must say. We're just going to go over the entire bike, give you everything that the bike has on it, what I have preferences, and just, you know, definitely like game changers versus just like cosmetic that I think personally makes the bike look better. Let's just jump straight into it, honestly. We are here with my 2015 BMW S1000rr. Absolutely insane. We're going to go over kind of what I have on it. We're going to go over everything like that. Starting off, though, it is the premium package. For those of you that don't really know what the premium package is, we do have these forged wheels. It does come with heated grips, comes with cruise control, comes with all those sorts of things. Race modes, insane bike, absolutely insane. I don't personally know what mine's pushing right now, horsepower-wise, to the wheel. I do need to go get that dynoed out. I just haven't had the time to make a trip up and get that done. We got the Brembos in the front and the rear, absolutely insane. Full Akrapovic exhaust. We do have a tune and a filter on it. Okay, first thing being, we got this full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. I love it personally. It sounds insane. It looks insane. It definitely has some buffs on it, unfortunately, but can't get any much better than this. I do want to get a shorty eventually, but for right now they're like almost $1,000. So half of the exhaust for just the tip is kind of crazy in my opinion. We'll move on to the side. We'll save the best for last. We got these carbon fiber side fairings right here. I think they're absolutely insane. Not too much carbon on the bike, not enough. It's insane. It absolutely goes insane. On the other side, the twill matches up. This side, it doesn't. But yeah, I have the carbon fiber side fairings on there, along with the belly. The belly's full carbon fiber as well. Yeah, there's not much more I can say about the carbon fiber. They're just ridiculous. Carbon's pretty pricey, unfortunately, but just the small touches here and there makes the bike look insane. Move on to the front. I know I said I was going to save the best for last, but how can you not love them? Got the Gecko matte, I forgot what they're called. They're the LED 2015 S1000rr headlights. It's pretty self-explanatory. They're just LED headlights. Actually insane though. They're insanely bright when it's like nighttime. Running lights, I know on most bikes at least. I can't say newer because I'm not 100% sure. One light will be on, the other will be off. Running, and then when you turn the brights on, they both are on. LED headlights, you have them both on running. So these white strips are the LEDs, and you have bulbs inside of them when you do turn on your brights. Absolutely insane. Must have purchase in my personal opinion. Not only are they beneficial to you, especially when it's nighttime and you're out on the road, keeps you safe, let other riders or drivers know that, you know, you are there because of how bright they are, but they just look insane. They're actually crazy to me. Move on to the side, or yeah, this side again. It's just a copy and paste from the other side, because it would look weird if it wasn't. Just the carbon fiber side fairings, carbon fiber belly. I do have the carbon fiber BMW badges. They're red to match the rest of the bike. They can get pretty pricey. I know if you go like forged carbon, you can go with other carbon badges. They do get pretty pricey sometimes, so just, you know, keep your eyes out, do your research. Yeah, and then we're gonna move up just a little bit right here. The carbon fiber tank cover. I mean, I'm sure to everybody that does watch my videos, the people that are new, even the ride earlier today, the clips that's going to be before this, I mean, you know, it's just insane. You know, you see it all the time, all the carbon. We're not done with it, definitely. We need a couple more carbon pieces, and then the bike's basically done, besides the shorty. But yeah, we'll move on to the back. We got the clear tail light. It's not integrated with turn signals, unfortunately. That's what I'm going to be going after next, just because, I mean, I think it's going to look absolutely insane, especially with like the dark and bright contrast. Tail tidy wise, I do want to get rid of these bigger bulbs, just because, I mean, who likes to have big bulbs on their bike? So it's kind of like a half tail tidy. You have like a full tail tidy, and then you have, you know, half, and then like a you know what I mean? So this is kind of like the half of it. It's definitely tucked in. My plate sits right up with the tail, so it's very nice, looks clean. The big bulbs have to go, so we're gonna get an integrated tail light for that. All right, the best part of this bike, saving it for the last, obviously. Besides the LED headlights, we have these custom painted dragon scale red fairings. Insane. Camera, I don't believe does justice. You have to see them in person. They're insane in my opinion. Like, they have the nice sparkle to them, super clean. The bike's a little dirty right now, so don't mind that. I need to get it washed. But yeah, I got them from a Moto Part Fairings. They got here in about a month and a half, so pretty fast. I did pay for expedited shipping. It was like 80-90 bucks, but it was definitely worth it in my opinion. Nobody wants to sit around and, you know, wait 3-4+ months just to get some fairings in. That's definitely not what it's just not ideal at all. But yeah, absolutely insane. I'm going to throw my code up on screen here along with the site. It's also going to be down in the description below. You guys can, if you guys are in the market for them, you know, at checkout, use my code. It's pure_RR. Save yourself some money, you know what I mean? Get yourself some nice fairings, because once again, who doesn't want some new fairings? Unless you have new fairings already, damaged fairings, everything like that. Their customer support is pretty responsive, thankfully. So yeah, they'll get back to you. I believe they're based out in the UK. So if you live over in the UK and you watch my videos, you end up seeing this and you want to reach out to them, they'll probably get back to you a lot faster. You guys are in the same time zone. But for anybody here in America or on different time zones that are not even close to them, you'll probably hear back from them around midnight to 5 in the morning. That's roughly when I heard back for my fairings. Yeah, that's basically all that I have on the bike right now. Besides the oil cooler, I also did get a radiator guard for the bike. That's one thing I did miss. The radiator guard it didn't fit at all, unfortunately. They're not pricey. It's like 50 bucks for them too. Radiators can get extremely pricey on these type of bikes. So, do yourself the favor, spend the 50 bucks, save yourself money, time, stress. Mine didn't fit, so I'm still looking at some others that'll hopefully fit. The oil cooler did fit. So the oil cooler fit really nicely. I think it looks amazing, especially with the black on the black. Carbon with the black. I think it looks amazing. Radiator guard, I still need to get that put on, but other than that, I mean, yeah, it's an insane bike. Another thing that comes with these bikes is if you look down into here, you do have a dampener, a steering dampener. A lot of bikes don't come stock with them. My girlfriend does have a 2023 Yamaha R7. Hers doesn't have anything like that on it. Unfortunately, I wish that was kind of like an OEM thing. All right, yeah, this is basically it for the entire video today. Yeah, I mean, it's been a work in progress with making this type of video. I haven't really been able to just get out here and make this type of video, so I'm glad today was that day. Yeah, I mean, this is everything on my 2015 S1000rr. I appreciate all of you so very much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.